press the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell button for upcoming new videos.
Today we are going to discuss a question which is application of trigonometry. This question is a challenging question, and this is from exercise 10G. It is question number 14. The question is, a tree is h meter high. This is tree here. This line shows the tree TR. It is h meter high. The angle of elevation of its top from a point P on the ground is 23. This line is ground line. It is the ground, and on this ground, this is point P. When we look up at the top of this tree from this point, the angle of elevation is 23. From another point Q, 10 meter from P. So this point Q is over here. It is 10 meter from the point P. And from this point Q, and this point Q is in the line of P and on the ground. The angle of elevation is 32, and from here when we look at the top of this tree, the angle of elevation becomes 32. So remember, when you go closer to the tree, the angle of elevation becomes larger. So once again, when you come closer to the tree, the angle of elevation becomes larger. Now here we have to find what is the height of this tree. We have to find this h. So here in this figure, TR, this TR, it is height of the tree and it is represented by h. So let's come see that how to solve this question. Here in this figure we have two right angle triangles. The first one is the big right angle triangle. It's a PRT, and the second right angle triangle is QRT. In big right angle triangle, in PRT, tangent 23 is perpendicular over base. This is perpendicular TR, which is h divided by PR. So tangent 23 is h over PR. In the second right angle triangle, which is QRT, the tangent 32, this is 32, is perpendicular over base, which is h over QR. From this ratio, we found this PR by cross multiplication. We shift PR over here and tangent 23 on here. So this will become like this. In the same way, we found QR from here. By cross multiplication, we shift QR over here and tangent 32 here. So we got this one. If you look at the figure, this P, look, this QR. You can also find this QR, and this by subtracting this PR, by subtracting this 10 from this PR. Once again, you can find this QR because this total length is PR. If you subtract this 10 from this PR, you will get QR. Subtracting this 10 from this whole line, you will get QR. So therefore QR is PR, which is here, minus 10, which is here. So we'll get this QR. And you know that this PR, we have already found this PR. This is over here. Now we will plug in the value of this PR, which is here, into here. So this will become this. Look here, it is tangent over 23 and minus 10. This minus 10 is over here. And this is a very important step. And so in this way we have found QR in this shape, and we have already found QR over here. So what we will do here, we will plug in this QR, this one, into here in this equation. So when we plug in this value here, our new equation will become, so look here, in this QR we plug in this value, this is over here, and is equal to this one. So we got this equation. This is, again, let me tell you, this is an important step. So after plugging in the values, we got this equation, and this is the same step. Okay, so now here using the calculator, so we found this, what is the value of tangent 23? We put over here tangent 23, it is 0.42447. so I used the value up to 4 decimal places, so it will become 0.4245 over here. And then we found the value of tangent 32, tangent 32. So by rounding up to 4 figures, 4 decimal places, it is 0.62449. 0.6249. In the next step, what we did here, we divided this value. Look here, this is 1 over 0.4245. So divided 1 divided by 0.4245. This is 0.4245. 1 divided by this will give me the answer. After converting into a decimal form, it is 2.3557. So it is 2.3557, and this is h. And now I will divide here 1 over 0.6249. 1 divided by 0.6249. So I received 1.6003. If we round it up to 4 decimal place, it will become 1.6003. So it is 1.6003h. So the rest is just simplification. So now bring this value over here and bring this minus 10 on the other side of the equation. So after simplifying these values, it will become 0.7554h is equal to 10. In the next step, so we will bring this value is multiplying with h. It will come on the other side. So it will be in the form of division here. So 10 divided by 0.7554, this will give us the answer 13.24. So h is 13.24, and if we round this figure up to 3 significant figure, this will become 13.3. So hence the h is 13.2 m. Therefore height of the tree is 13.2 meter. So therefore this height is 13.2 centimeter.